transferring your design onto the fabric. Remove anything that is not part of the design. You can fold to get center crease, fold to get your center crease, just so that you're positioning it in the center, or you can just use your eye. You can use some washi tape just to hold in place, because you can iron over this. Or you can just use your finger on the edge. You want a hot dry iron, and use that transfer test on there to test your own iron, because they're all different. And then you simply press and hold for about 10 seconds on each spot. Lift and move. Lift and move. Hot dry iron, no steam, and a nice hard ironing surface. I'm using a board. If your ironing board is spongy, it might blur your lines. You don't have to do the outside circle. That just gives you an idea of where you cut it. But just make sure that you have done all of your design. Carefully lift a corner to check. And once you have it all, there's your design. You'll get 3 or 4 out of that.